Hello everyone, welcome again to another video. So in this video it's something quite simple, which is shutting down Windows 10. So sounds like a really obvious thing and everyone's immediately probably going, well, I know how to do that, I do it every day. But in this video I'm going to show you why I reckon your machine is not actually doing a proper shutdown when you click shutdown. So if I just show you on my screen here, here's my computer desktop, and if I left click my start button and then above that I've got my power, left click that, and then I would click shutdown. Now you would now think that that's completely shut down your machine. However, that isn't always the case, and I'll show you a setting in Windows 10 of why that is. So if we right click the start button and then go up to power options, second one down, left click that, and then on this screen here we've got additional power settings on the right hand side. If we left click that, then here we've got choose what the power buttons do. So if we click on this, you can see when I press the power button, shut down the machine. However, shutdown settings has a function that is always ticked by default on Windows 10 to turn on fast startup, and then they've actually recommended it in brackets. Now this helps your PC start faster after a shutdown, but it only does that by not actually shutting down your machine. So the machine will completely power off as such, but it'll be a bit like a hibernate. It'll be in a state where if you press the power button to come back on, it can quickly boot straight back up to where you were to give you a faster boot up. But the downside of that is it's therefore not doing an actual full shutdown. And there are certain instances in Windows 10 where you need a full shutdown of your machine, leave the machine off and then turn back on to install certain updates or to reset certain things that need a complete close down of power. But if you have this turned on, which Windows 10 by default will, that will mean that when you are shutting down, you're not actually doing a full shutdown. So go into your machine now, click on those power options, go to the choose what the power button does, and see if yours is turned on fast startup. And I guarantee you it will be, and just make sure you untick that box. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you. Bye bye.